I'm Ronny from Achtung Camper and I'm going to show you how our roof bed works today.
A manual roof bed. The electric one, there wouldn't be a video because there's just a button to press.
Alright, so you got two safety clips. There's one here and there's one on the rear.
On the other side, which
yeah,
I
on the
haven't
other
couple
side
to show you, but
yep, that's,
you get it.
That's,
okay.
Then the first thing I would do is put your cushions out. So I'll take that one up. Probably the other one first, actually. Do the right one first. Spin it around. And then do this one. And then put your roof bed down. Take the, what's up?
It's okay.
So then pull out the rope, untie that, and then you let the roof bed down.
Don't get rope burn.
Not that.
And that will just sit in perfectly.
Then
Yep.
just pull it into place. Sorry, it was my arm. Then you can take off these ropes. They are fitted with a clip if you want to. I can just unhook them if you need to. Yeah. And there is a hook fitted under here where you can hook it in. And there's another one fitted over here. I won't do all that. No. There's another one here on the side and another two on the rear if you want to take it completely off.
We'd normally leave our sheet and doona, our sheet on this bed, on the bed, the main part of the mattress, and our doona and pillows, and they just stay up in the roof and we just lower them down and then we just pull the sheet over the extra cushion here. You can also obviously leave it down all the time if that's something you want to do, because you can easily eat in the front of the van, use the front with the swivel seat bases with a table in the front area. So it's whatever works for you.
And
right,
then
and putting it up.
Pull it up. Just pull it slowly up. Maybe show the bed more. Yeah, just pull it up gentle. And then what you do, you can just hold it. You can put that behind here if you want to and then push that rope up. Or you can just push it up by hand, but now it's up. And then this one, you just do like a cross over the top, around, and pull it tight a little bit. And then I just roll this up here and push it into that cavity up there that's out of the way.
It's a little home for it.
Yeah. A bit awkward from this side. Right, that's it. Then you can put your cushions back in.
So that one at the foot of the bed goes on the driver's side. And the one on the side is the one that stays on the side. We just spin it around again. And that's it.
Push it in.
Great. And you can go about your day.